How to put item spawner in Fortnite Creative. So this is a simple and easy tutorial in 2024. Alright, so what you have to do firstly is click on escape. Then once you're in settings, you have to go to island settings. Then once you're over here, you have to go to content. Then once you're in content, you have to go to devices. Then once you're in devices, you have to search up item spawner right here. So you're just going to click on place now. And you're going to place it exactly right here. Then once you place it, you have to click on customize item spawners. Once you do that, time before first spawn, just put it on 0. Time between item spawn, just put it on 0. So it's gonna be instant. Click on OK. Now you're gonna pick the items you want in here. It could be literally anything, heals, guns, anything. So you're gonna go to island settings. Once you're over here, you're gonna go to content. Delete this. Now you're gonna scroll down to items. Then once you're in items, you can literally put anything you want. So I'm gonna put, let's do shockwaves. Now I'm gonna go back over here, click on tab, drag it all the way on this here, and it's in there right now. Now if I start my game, just gotta wait a few minutes. Alright, then once the game starts, I could come over here and get unlimited shockwaves. You could literally put anything here. If you want to put heals, you could put 3-4 heals, whatever you want, it doesn't matter. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.